Fine network, how are you? Hope you're fine now. XDC coin holders, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the price. The price changes occur in the XDC coin and what will be the next move. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. The current price of the XDC in the market is 8.40% decrease in the last 24 hours. So guys, 24 hours is a big time of the XDC coin in the market. Don't decide to buy a XDC coin at this time because now the change is going wrong. And the price is 0.1339 USD dollar is the current price of the XDC. Other side, let me show you more about XDC coin. You know what, guys? August month is already profitable month, but you know what? Why the XDC price is going down? Possibilities, guys, that is a temporary false. Now let me show you the price chart. Oh, guys, you can see. Guys, that's really a profitable time, and you can see here the price changes is negative. The price is going down. The price become low. So I think if you want to buy, so why now? Because the price is low, and you can see every time I found in the pumping mood. That's why now I recommend for you to buy because the pump is coming soon. Maybe for 1 day, for 2 days, the price falls down, but after 1 2 days, fast the price will again pump. So buy now XTC. I hope, guys, that they give you profit. Anyways, other side, if you look the changes of the MP coin, so trading volume, you can see that, my friends, the short-term investor going to say that's why the trading volume is decrease, guys. So that's why the price also decrease. But I hope again the price will increase. Fully diluted market cap 14% positive. So guys, I recommend for you to buy now XTC because the current price is very low. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now for more news and updates videos.